Hello and welcome to the Savify Discounts app tutorial series from KlinKode. In today's video, we'll show you how to offer product discounts by weight. Open the Savify Discounts app. Click the Create Discount button. Select Regular Discount instead of Tier Discount. You can choose from 3 discount types: Order Discount, Product Discount, or Shipping Discount. In this tutorial, we'll use the product discount types. You can apply discounts to these 3 types in a single discount rule if you want. Here, under Discount on Selected Items section, we can set the discount for all products or apply it to selected products only. If you select the Selected Products Only, you can select the specific items by products, tags, collections, vendors, or SKU. Also here, you can choose to include or exclude items by products, tags, collections, vendors, or SKU. For this video, we select the product, set the product to which we want to give a discount, and then choose Include Discount. Now, you'll need to give your discount a name. This name is for internal use only. Next, set your discount code. You can either create one manually, or you can click on the Generate option. You can also choose Automatic Discount. If you select this option, make sure to enter a discount message in the blank box. For this video, we will select the Automatic Discount method and set the discount message as "You got a deal." Then we will set the discount value for product discount. We can choose either percentage or fixed amount. We will keep the percentage for discount type and put 10% for product discount. Now in the Rules and Conditions section, click on the Add a Condition button. Now, from the list that appears, choose the Single Product Weight option. Less than sets the maximum single product weight for the discount to apply, and more than sets the minimum single product weight required to apply the discount. For this example, we select More Than, and we'll enter 1 kilogram in the field. This means the discount will be applied only when the single product weight exceeds 1 kilogram. In the Combination section, you can allow this discount to be combined with other product, order, or shipping discounts so customers can use multiple offers at the same time in a single order. To make this tutorial simple, we will keep the All Default option as they are. Now let's click on the Save button to create this discount rule. That's it, your discount is live now. Let's go to the checkout page and test it out. As expected, we got a 10% product discount. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Savify Discounts app. Happy selling!